Now, to find out the global force vector capital letter F given by the expression F is equal to F1, F2, F3, F4, we have to use a separate formula as shown in the middle portion of this particular sheet. That is, capital letter F is equal to WL by 2 first term, WL square by 12 second term, WL by 2 third term minus WL square by 12 fourth term. This formula, without forgetting, you students have to keep it in your mind up to the end of the examination. Here, W represents the load applied, that is UDL of magnitude 12 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton per meter associated with negative sign. When you substitute the value of W as 12 into 10 to the power of 3 and length L as 1 meter, you are going to get an answer for global stiffness matrix, global force vector as capital letter F is equal to F1, F2, F3, F4, which is equal to 10 to the power of 3 taken as common factor into minus 6 minus 1 minus 6 plus 1. Substitute this value of global force vector in equilibrium equation of FEA given at the top portion of this particular sheet. That is, K into Q is equal to F. Substitute the value of global stiffness matrix from the previous equation and F matrix which you have just calculated now. Make the entries to the Q matrix as Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4.